So we got a cam intake LS3 Vet Auto C6, made 478 wheel, tuned by Caesar, owned by Austin Jennings. And today we're gonna have a little fun run with this beautiful 01 C5Z with an LS3 swap. It's got a F35 cam, stock heads, fast intake. Both cars are on E85. This one dynoed 505 wheel through a manual. What are you doing?
Oh, I was just getting you filming.
And we're gonna see how they run today. So manual versus auto, both tuned by Caesar at Horsepower Factory. Gonna have a little fun run and see what happens. Ready? 1, 2, 3!
Not bad. How much boost was that on?
7 pounds.
7 pounds?
It's got, they don't even have headers. It's got cats,
stock exhaust,
stock
no
exhaust,
headers,
no cam. Oh, it has a mild cam. I forgot it does have a mild cam. But other than that, I mean, it's not bad. 93 octane.
Yeah.
I'm doing it in a lower gear because I don't want the shaft to fly out.
Kaboom. Yes, Rico. Kaboom.
What motor's in it?
It's just the factory 6.2.
Factory 6.2. This thing should move though for a big body. Frank, he gonna gap your Tahoe.
What?
He gonna gap your Tahoe.
Don't play with me. Fastest Tahoe in the world.
Bro, yeah, that's what's gonna get that Tahoe.
Fastest Tahoe in the world. I give him the hit. He don't want no smoke.
Shit, all-wheel drive?
He don't want no smoke. We'll let him take off. We'll leave it on 18 pounds. 14 bucks.
Ooh. That's a wrap on it?
That's a wrap.
It's a wrap.
530 is not bad.
Not bad for a big truck. It'll move.
Hey, go call him out. Tell him go do a pull on. What you say? Get that ass.
Get who?
Get your ass.
We would.
With this ass.
Nah.
Hey, go do a hit. Do a little test drive. I want to see how it drives.
Alright.
Because it's 8-speed.
Holy shit. I'm down. I might change my mind. We might have to build a Z71 Tahoe. Shoot. C71 Tahoe will work. Taking over.
Tahoe takeover? You gonna make an event?
We gonna make our own event. All the discussions gonna come out. Nah, this is impressive. A little daily. Nice, I think. Yeah, it's comfortable. It's nice.
Nice interior.
Yeah. I'd love to have one of these. But since I can't, we're just gonna make it fastest Tahoe. And the HPF sponsorship.
Yeah, sponsored by HPF?
Yep.
See. What you think about that OBS outside?
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
And it's fast.
It's fast? What did it run? Do you know what it runs or no?
It's been 890 in the quarter.
8 second True.
8-second truck. Street truck. They drove it here.
Hey, get in, do it like an in video. I want to
Yeah.
see how it feels. Or I want to see how it looks.
Yeah, that ain't gonna work.
Suck it in, Frank. You'll be alright. You'll be alright. It's a lifted truck.
That just ain't gonna work.
Snap on man here.
What's up, brother?
What's up? What's up?
How we doing?
You doing alright?
What y'all got going on? You alright, Frankie? I don't fit. I gotta get in that old.
Oh, you gotta get another. You gotta lose a 3-inch here, 3-inch gap.
Instead of losing weight, we're gonna put the floor mat on. No! Put the squeeze right in. I still don't fit. I can't see, huh?
You ain't done yet.
I can't see.
I cannot see. I'm legally blind. That's my story. I'm sticking to it.
Say it, can you
Chicken wing?
take it off for me?
Yeah, but can you send it?
I don't fit.
Can you send chicken wing?
Him.
Did you hear me what I said? And the zip
You
ties.
said chicken wing and zip tie.
Yeah, that's all I need. Chicken wing and zip ties.
Okay. And you need some snap on. That's the man right here. The man with the plan.
I don't have Snap-on money. I'd be broke.
We have a really good finance program.
Or am I gonna get the money to finance it? I mean, you're gonna see a lot of
Low weekly
bounce,
payments.
Low weekly payments.
bounce,
Rest of your life.
bounce payment for the rest of my life. You're gonna be out here
But
struggling.
he does have some cars.
Yeah.
I eat ramen.
Or for the down payment, we can do a sundae. A strawberry sundae will get you a down payment.
There you go.
Large. We don't do that.
Exactly.
We don't do that medium stuff around here.
Gotta be a large strawberry sundae.
So y'all bold assuming I could afford a large strawberry sundae.
Bro, it's only like $3.99.
That's a lot of money.
Oh, come on. What's up, Steve?
Like the shirt.
Thank you, sir.
Looks official.
Looks good, huh?
Yeah.
Look, so this one we need to do your top right here.
What?
Put you a little blower.
No, we gotta go turbo, bro.
Oh.
My bad. Turbo Tahoe gang, I got you.
There you go.
God dang, buddy, son, down under there. Bitch is tight.
Starts out. Oh, shit burns. Even with the glove, it burns. It's that hot. Ah! Look, check it out. Touch it.
Oh, it's just warm. Got that warm.
That one. These two right here, because you know I got.
I know.
Hey, you gonna put in a 4x4? On asphalt, baby. No burnout.
Hey, we're gonna do a no burnout daily cash days. Taking this baby
Black
right
Bay.
here.
God dang, you still ain't done?
I'm almost done. God damn.
How many threads that bolt got on there?
Goddamn monkey, let me speak.
Make it on that noise for me.
We're gonna do a little ride along in the old Escalade. Oh shoot. Alright, Frank, I'd like to not die today.
Yeah.
I just have to, let me buckle up, y'all. Yeah, you got Frank driving. I'm kind of scared, to be honest. If this is my last moments alive,
It's gonna be a good one because it's in a Cadillac. There ain't no 300,000 miles sitting around.
Oh, she goes. That's not bad for a big ass SUV. That would be a fun daily.
Yeah, this thing's pretty quick. That was spicy.
You think the Tahoe gonna be able to do it?
Man. We're gonna have to turn that two-step.
You look like you're falling in love with it a little bit.
Yeah, I like it a lot. Man, I'm gonna have to ask Mama if I can get one of these.
Y'all make sure to like, comment, and subscribe so we can make it big.
Mama, we need a Cadillac.
Every like puts Frank one step closer to getting this Cadillac.
Yes. Maybe we can get sponsored by Cadillac. I'll be even better.
Shoot.
Cause I'll take a new one. But I ain't greedy. I'll take a used one too. You know. I'm gonna test the street mannerisms. See how you turn off traction control? This thing's spicy.
This thing would be a lot of fun.
And put the window up like nothing ever happened.
If they say it was us, just say this thing's a Cadillac, and they know the Cadillac doing what this thing does. Tell Danny and the Mustang you want it from a dig.
You don't want no smoke with this thing.
It's pretty quick though for a big body.
Stock manifold truck.
Yeah, pretty quick for a big body. I'd like to see it run versus Danny's Mustang.
So this is 408. What is it? 408? 408. 408 twin precision 76s. Damn! 7675. Sniper Holly race intake. Holly. E5. It's a 400 or 480? 480. 480. Built by Roy over here as Pasadena Speed. We've already tuned this truck with a previous setup. I think it went 880, 890, something like that. We're just gonna do a health check again because they're gonna go to the shootout tomorrow. So
Okay.
let's see what it makes. Last time it made, I think 980 or 1,000 or something like that. So we'll see right now.
953 first pull, not bad.
20 pounds.
20 pounds.
But it has an issue with the dome sensor.
Okay.
It reads kind of funny, so that's why you get the little hump.
Yeah, it's got a little.
The dome pressure sensor is reading weird. Maybe we could put a new one.
Go to the launch retard. Okay, Adrian had it. Turn that motherfucker off. Oh, you got it. Yeah, it's off already.
It's off, but it only activates on the
Oh,
foot brake.
okay.
I'm gonna turn it back on.
No, leave it off because I heard it when it went. Woo, woo.
Okay.
Oh, I thought it was that. So the dome pressure's acting funny.
I mean, it'll be okay.
Okay.
This truck is clean though.
See that?
It's nice.
Beautiful. See that?
Beautiful. No pressure.
It's like the motherfucker hasn't been turned on.
Look at that.
Oh my gosh, just look at it.
But don't squeeze that hose for me, Frank. Look at that. Salt. The only time you want to be seeing salt.
How much was that? Fuel pressure regulator is loose. I don't know if it messed with it.
That was 23 pounds. It's loose? Can you tell them?
So 1,000.
Yeah, 23 pounds. 23.3.
1,000.
Voltage is low as hell though.
Voltage?
11.6. So as you can see, because the voltage is low, we get voltage compensation on the ignition dwell. And anytime a coil, at least the heatsink style coils, go over like 4.3, something like that, 4.5, they auto ignite. So that means that they auto fire. So wherever the piston might be, the coil doesn't care. It's considered a smart coil, so it protects itself by auto firing. So in essence, it could throw maybe 60 degrees of timing. Or
It's almost like, what's his name, the problem he was having?
yeah, like sloppy.
He's sloppy with the Mustang.
So what I'm gonna go do is I'm gonna just do a modifier to bring the base ignition dwell time down. So we can bring this down to like a 4.2 or something like that.
Okay.
But let's see what he wants to do.
¿Cuánto time trae?
That is 16. Oh, 12 degrees.
Como si nada, güey.
12 degrees in time.
Hombre, deja, leave the same boost level, vamos a subir el time.
Alright. Let's go up, baby. Alright. Went up to 15. Up and boost. It didn't pick up with 15 degrees, so I'm gonna go back to 12 and go up and boost.
Go back to lower timing, add more
back.
boost, and see what you do.
Yeah, pretty much.
How much boost you're gonna go up to?
Probably 30.
30 pounds?
Yeah, so it just spikes and drops and it spikes, or not, you get what I'm saying? I don't know if you can hear it on the pool.
Yeah, you can hear it.
They don't want to change the map sensor. I mean, the dome pressure sensor.
We just,
Do the best I can.
yeah.
That's 26.7.
Curve looks a little bit better.
Yeah, it's getting better. So I'm gonna turn it up a little bit more. How's the hose? Good? No problems? Yeah?
Fucking cold.
Okay. We're gonna turn it up a little bit more then. 30 pounds maybe?
Oh, just make it hold.
Nah, we're gonna turn it up. Roy's scared now.
1140, not bad.
29 pounds, so we're gonna turn it up a little bit more, and that's it. Go home.
Hey Frank, what do you got to tell these people? Like, comment, and subscribe, nigga.
What type of prep you laying down?
It's my secret sauce.
Oh, secret sauce?
It's honey and goddamn cum. Cum steak.
What the fuck? What the fuck? Stop playing. What the fuck? Stop playing. What the fuck is that?